Good evening, gearheads and dyers. Tom Jason here with Autonews parts and accessories, bringing you the latest in automotive innovations. Tonight, while loaded struts are revolutionizing repairs for technicians and weekend warriors alike. Let's break it down. Loaded struts pre-assembled units combining shocks, springs, mounts, and bearings are becoming the gold standard for suspension repairs. Pros swear by them, and dyers are catching on fast. Why? Safety and simplicity. Rebuilding old struts means wrestling with dangerous spring compressors and tiny, easy-to-lose components. One misstep, and you got a rattling mess or worse, a compromised ADAS system. Loaded struts eliminate the guesswork. Here's the kicker. Loaded struts come with all new parts. Reusing worn springs or bent housings, that's like putting expired milk in your coffee. Old parts fatigue, crack, and fail. Mixing them with new ones is a recipe for disaster. With loaded assemblies, every component is fresh, ensuring smoother handling, quieter rides, and long-term safety. Speaking of safety, modern cars rely on advanced driver assistance systems, cameras, radar, and sensors that need precise ride height to function. Worn struts, they throw off alignment, crippling ADAS performance. Loaded struts restore factory specs, keeping those life-saving systems sharp. Now, a pro tip. Always replace struts in pairs. Sure, you can swap just one, but mismatched sides mean uneven handling. And if one's worn out, the other's not far behind. Plus, after installation, get an alignment. New springs can tweak ride height, and camber bolts. Mark them before removal. It'll save time and cash at the alignment shop. Installation hacks. Soak bracket bolts in penetrating oil to avoid snaps. Secure brake hoses and ABS wires with bungees, no snags while wrestling that strut out. And when the suspension drops, use a caliper hanger to protect lines and sensors. Oh, and while you're in there, check those CV boots. Perfect time for a quick inspection. Loaded struts save time, reduce labor costs, and deliver peace of mind. For your customers, it's a win-win. Safer rides and smarter investments. So next time suspension work rolls in, recommend loaded struts. Their safety and your reputation will thank you. For more pro tips and undercar solutions, visit autooptionsblognews.car.rd.co. That's all for tonight. Keep those wheels turning safely. I'm Tom Jason. See you next time on Auto News Parts and Accessories.